project manager here at ER2, and I'm based out of Mesa. HeatSync is a nonprofit, volunteer-based organization. I volunteer every month. I have a night that I host. So I open the place at 7 p.m. and I close the place at 10 p.m. I've been with HeatSync for about 10 years now. We have a bunch of tools that most people either don't have the space for or don't have the funds to purchase, like a CAD machine or a giant laser cutter, even 3D printers. It's like a library of tools, and we allow people to come in and use them as a community resource, like you would use a library, except you don't get to take these home. Everybody there is so welcoming. They have such amazing knowledge, and they are absolutely excited to share. And so I appreciate that social back and forth that we get. Biggest benefit for me for volunteering my time is getting to spend time with these people that I have this shared interest with. I would encourage people to find something that they maybe don't know that they're passionate about, and go find local spaces that do that. No matter what you're passionate about or what you enjoy doing, there's gonna be a group out there.